Hi everybody. Hi beautiful people. So I'm here today to kind of speak my mind about something. First of all, I'm not here to bash anybody. I love watching makeups and natural hair tutorials, but I have something for us to discuss, or for me to say to everybody. And I hate being political in any ways. I hate anything concerning race, being politics. But to this extent, I think I have to be specific and I have to speak my mind on it, which hopefully most of you will agree with me about what I'm about to say. To me, I think it's about time black women of color, since most people don't want us to use the word women of color, so I would just stand on black women in general with all shades. It's about time, mostly not with all shade, let me be specific here, especially dark skin like me, dark skin women. It's about time we need to focus on more into fitness than makeups and natural hair tutorials, which I'm not saying is not good. I think, to me, we have kind of level up when it comes to that part, when it comes to makeups and natural hair. And even I can see sometimes, I can even see some videos about hypergamy and all those things. We kind of have a lot of videos and tutorials and things about that, but it's about time we have to also focus on fitness. It's not, I can see there's not a lot of black women or dark skin women into fitness. I barely see any videos or channels about fitness, especially with dark skin women. You say, oh, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot, but it's mostly women of other races, and sometimes even if it's a dark skinned woman, it's mostly somebody who has already get the body done or kind of look like an Instagram model. It's like the common regular average woman, like dark skinned woman like me, is you barely see us in fitness and everything, which we have to work on that. If you're gonna practice hypergamy, love your natural hair, like I have mine cornrow right now like this. I put on wigs, which to me, I put on wigs that are pretty convincing, so you will barely know that it's not my hair. If we're gonna do makeups and all those things, we have to also be able to make sure we are fit. You don't have to be skinny or look like an Instagram model, but you have to maintain a good weight. And those are some of the reasons why some things are not really good with us as a collective, because you can see a sister, or you will see a sister at Target or somewhere, the hair is snatched, the makeups is done, and the weight is like and I'm not trying to make myself feel good or make anybody also feel bad or put anybody down, but I'm trying to I don't know how to say, to be a person of concern and to see a sister or somebody also succeed, or feel confident like I will or I have, to let somebody also feel that we also have to get into fitness. I want to see a lot of people, a lot of dark skinned women get into fitness like I have started. I think so far the only person, it could be, but to me the only person who kind of is real and not Instagram features or Instagram body, and who's also pretty dark skin or dark skin like me, that who is into fitness. I have seen the channel before. My channel has my YouTube channel has recommended her to me. Is Koboko, is it Koboko channel, YouTube channel, either Koboko or something, Koboko, yeah. And I kind of checked her out once, and she was really doing it. She was into home, or she's into home fitness like I am, and she is pretty confident. You can see the body is genuine. It's not somebody who has got the work done and now trying to let us gain lose weight like she is, which is not real. You can see she's really genuine with what she's doing, and the body is genuine. So it's about time. There's a lot. I'm not trying to say tell anybody to stop making, but it would be nice if we kind of divert, because I think we have been really good with that part right now. We have leveled up at that part right now when it comes to makeups and natural hair. There's a lot of natural hair, a lot of makeups channels, so it's about time we have to get into fitness. We have to create something that will also represent us, like we have when it comes to our hair. We have come to love our hair so far, which is good. So we have to create something that will make us love our body like we have with our hair and with our face and with all the makeup. So it should be something we have to put into consideration, either home workout like I am doing or gym workout, but mostly home workout too, because most people they say everything begins at home, charity begins. So if we get a confidence by practicing at home, then when we get a little bit okay with it, then we move to the gym with it. So let's take into consideration. And once again, I didn't want it to be political, but sometimes you have to be specific, because it needs to be addressed. Yeah, it is time. It is time we have to get into fitness creation than all those natural hair makeups. I'm not saying we should not do it. Please continue, but it would be nice for us to also have more fitness channels like we have with natural hair and makeups and nails and trips and vacations too, which is also good, so hopefully my message didn't come the wrong way, and hopefully you guys understand me with my cute accent. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.